Hello students, this is Miss Susan, your Piano Fun at Home teacher. Welcome back to your piano lessons. This is lesson number 3, part A. So how are you? And then you say, I am fine, how are you? And I say, I am fine, thank you. Come, let us have our piano lesson. And you say, okay, let's go. Well, in this lesson, we are going to learn some new things about the piano. But first, let's review what we learned the last time, and then we can start our new lessons. So come with me to the piano and let's get started. In our last lesson, we learned all the notes of the piano. We started down on this end and we called this A, and then we went to B and C and D, E, F, G. We went all the way up the piano to the end, and we saw that this was A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. This top note on a piano is C. Let's go down the piano and name all the notes. Now, I'm going to put the dog in the doghouse up here, right here. The dog is in the doghouse. Let's begin naming the keys and go all the way down. This is C, B. Do this with me. I want you to do this with me and say it out loud. A, B, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. Now we move the doghouse and we do it again. G, F, E, D, C, B, A. We move the doghouse and do it again. G, F, E, D, C, B, A. We're going to move the doghouse and do it again. G, F, E, D, C, B, A. Move the doghouse and do it again. G, F, C, B, A. Move the doghouse. So this time we're going all the way to the bottom. Ready? G, F, E, D, C, B, A. Keep going. G, F, E, D, C, B, A. If you have a real piano, with a piano that goes this big, then your first note will be an A. If you have a keyboard, then your keyboard will be smaller and it might start with a C, or it might start with an E. Okay? But this is still a C, and the dog's in the doghouse is a D, and here are the D's. Very good. Now let's find some notes. I'm going to move my dog back in the doghouse by the name in the middle. Okay, last week we found C. We went to the doghouse, and C is right here. Let's find some. C, dog, C, doghouse, C. Let's go down here. Doghouse, C, doghouse, C. And if we go down here, all the way down, the doghouse is C. Now who's in the doghouse? Well, the D is in the doghouse. So let's find some D's. Doghouse, D. Can you go fast? Doghouse, D. Let's get the next one up. Doghouse, D. And let's go down to here. Here's another doghouse, and here's a doghouse, and here's a doghouse. And there's some more down there. And then we found E. Doghouse, E. Oh, that's a different sound. Doghouse, E. I can go up here. You can't see it in the camera, but can you reach it on your piano? And we can come down here, and here's a doghouse with an E. And we can do this one down here. Very good. Very good. I'm sure you remember that from last time. Now we are going to find two new notes. Let's find the F and let's find the G. Well, the F is the first one, is this one. There's 3, and the F is this one. Okay, let's do it again up here. Here's the 3, and the F is here. Okay, let's go down. Here's the 3, and here's the F. And here's the 3, and here's the F. Can you hear that? That one's a little bit, oh, it's tricky. Very good, very good. Now let's find the G. The G is kind of hard to find because you go to the 3's, and it's this one. Okay, let's go to the 3's, and it's this one. And let's go to the 3's, and it's this one. And let's go to the 3's, and it's this one. Okay, very good. And for your homework, I want you to find the F and find the G. That was very, very good, students. Now, let's review what we learned in Lesson 2. In Lesson 2, we learned all about our finger numbers. Remember the hands and finger 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, and then we did the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And on these pages, I gave you some homework, some exercises to do. It says to do it with your right hand, do it with your left hand, and then do hands together. So let's do that right now. I'm going to start with the right hand paper, and I'm going to go to line 3. We're going to play this. We're going to play this. Okay, I'll put this up here so I can see it. Now, let me get you close. There we go. I want you to take your thumb. I'm going to put my thumb on D. My right thumb on D. Okay, ready? I'm going to play the third line, and let's say the numbers together and play this with me. Ready, go. 1, 2, 1, 2. And then the next one is 1, 3, 1, 3. And then it goes 1, 4, 1, 4. And then 1, 5, 1, 5. Did you do that with me? Very, very good. Okay, now I'm going to take my left thumb and I'm going to put the thumb on A. Okay, can you see my hands here? And I'm going to play those same notes. I'm going to go to line 3 again. I'm going to play 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 3, 1, 3, and then 1, 4, 1, 4, and then 1, 5, 1, 5. Did you do that? Okay, now comes the hard part. Let's see if I can adjust this camera a little bit so you can see better what I'm doing. Now we're going to play hands together. I've got my left thumb on A, and I'm going to put my right thumb on D. And I chose these notes because they'll be pretty together. Okay, let's play line 3 together. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 4. Now pinky. 1, 5. 1, 5. How did you do on that? Very good. Now I would like to have you do all of these exercises. Okay, just pick one and play it, and then the next day pick another and play it. Or you can play 2 every day. Maybe you can play the bottom line and then the next day you play line 3. Just play this every day. Now we can play other songs with finger numbers. I have something new for you. We can play other songs with finger numbers. Here is Mary Had a Little Lamb in finger numbers. So let's play this together. Now take your right hand and put your thumb on C. Okay, I got my right hand and my thumb is on C. And now we're going to play the finger numbers. Ready? We're going to play 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 3, 5, 5, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 1. How was that? That was kind of fun, wasn't it? Okay, now we're going to play Mary Had a Little Lamb with the left hand. This time we're going to put pinky on C. Okay, we're going to put pinky on C. Now let's look at the finger numbers, let's look at the music, and let's play this. Ready? 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 3, 1, 1. Next line. 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 3, 4, 5. How was that, students? Did you do it? Very good, very good. Well, students, that is the end of part A of our lesson number 3. We reviewed what we did in the last lesson. We talked about our notes that went down. We named all the notes backwards. We found C's, D's, and E's, and then we found the new notes F and G. And we checked out the finger numbers, and we learned a new finger number song. Now you come back to lesson 3B, and we are going to start to count the music. We will learn how music is written for counting. So this is Miss Susan, your Piano Fun at Home teacher. Thank you for coming to your lesson, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.